everybody. Did you know that Cut the Clutter RVA is a local women-owned small business? We help others succeed by removing the chaos of clutter. We're excited to meet you. I'm Linda Ryder.
And I'm Gretchen Moen, and we're here to introduce you to our team and let you know the various ways that we can help. First, we create your floor plan. Our floor planning team will measure your furniture and work with you to decide what to keep, creating a layout that works for your floor plan. After our visit, we'll provide you with digital and printed copies that bring it all to life. Next, we meet for your downsizing consultation. Our consultants will meet you for a complimentary consultation to better understand your unique needs and create a plan for your project. We can help you make decisions about what to take with you, as well as what to give away or dispose of. We recommend you begin the planning process 10 to 12 months prior to your move.
Finally, our team handles your downsizing project with care. We understand this is a significant life transition and some extra hands would be valuable. Our whole team is prepared to help you every step of the way. Our services include decluttering, preparing your home to sell, packing, coordinating trusted partners, managing your move day, and unpacking and organizing your new home. We look forward to working with you.